Blowing snow and low wind chills are expected to impact central Ohio over the next couple of days. Blizzard-like conditions, flash freezing, as well as wind chills are all possible. We'll have some rain this evening that'll become snow around midnight with a quick decrease in temperatures. In fact, associated with this storm over in Wyoming, the temperature dropped around 20 or 30 degrees within 10 minutes. Something similar to that is likely overnight tonight here. That means that any standing water from that rain will freeze in a very short period of time. Snow will begin to fall throughout Friday morning. We're looking at 2 to 4 inches total. It's also going to be blowing due to winds gusting around 50 miles an hour, low visibility, and blowing snow, but that'll remain patchy. Thus, we don't quite meet blizzard criteria because it is patchy rather than widespread. It's not dependent on the snow total. If they decide to issue a blizzard warning, I would not be surprised. Following that, and really at the same time, beginning Friday morning, we'll have low wind chills below negative 20 for a 24-hour period between Friday and Saturday morning. During that time, air temperatures will be below 0 degrees as well. We will remain below negative 10 until Sunday morning with respect to the wind chill. As we can see here, yes, those winter storm warning and a wind chill warning both remain in effect. Significantly low wind chills are extremely likely and will be probably the most hazardous portion of this, and that's certainly not helped with the blowing snow and flash freeze ahead of those wind chills and occurring at the same time, meaning that if you lose power, it's going to get cold, and so just be prepared for that. With our latest projections, the probability of a white Christmas has increased, at least in suburban Columbus, where more snow is likely. As we can see here, the suburbs likely to get closer to 3 or 4 inches downtown, and in southern Columbus, in the southern areas of Columbus, that's where we're looking more like 1 to 2 inches, maybe 3 in spots as well. So again, places like New Albany, Sunbury, places like that, probably closer to 4 inches outside of the heat of the city, but other locations closer to the city may receive less snow, as is kind of normal. You can also kind of see that reflected here by the HRRR forecast for wind chill tomorrow morning, negative 30 degrees in downtown Columbus. On the suburbs, though, those wind chills will likely be near negative 35, and that's dangerous. You do not want to be outdoors during that time, and really, as we see here, it's going to be a long period of time with negative 25 temperatures. I don't think that I forecasted a period of time with wind chills that low, negative 25, for that period over 12 hours since I've been doing these weather forecasts. Also being below 0 for perhaps a 24-hour period in Columbus, that's highly unusual. And you can see by the beginning, the first couple hours of this, how quickly those temperatures drop. It's going to be quick. It's going to last a long time. It's going to be quick in terms of when it onsets. The onset will be quick, but it's going to the effects of this are going to last a very long time. As you can see here, wind chill warning criteria will only exist so long as we remain below negative 25. Wind chill advisory criteria is at negative 10 degrees. Therefore, once that wind chill warning expires Saturday morning, it's very, very likely that a wind chill advisory follows suit until Christmas morning, so long as those wind chills remain below negative 10 degrees. Now, remember, both snow and cold together are a dangerous combination, and we will continue to monitor both those blizzard-like conditions and flash freeze warnings. Note, though, there is a new product from the National Weather Service similar to tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings called a snow squall warning. It's issued for things like severe thunderstorms, but it's snow related, thus resulting in a loss of visibility and a very quick output of snow affecting travel. Those are not issued so long as the winter storm warning and or blizzard warning remain in place. Those are considered more significant warnings than those snow squall warnings. So you may still experience snow squalls, but a warning will not be issued since we already have a winter storm warning in place, and that means that travel is not advised at all during the time of that wind chill or that winter storm warning. For that matter, during the wind's chill warning, travel is also not advised. Being outdoors, you can get frostbite in less than 10 minutes with these temperatures and wind chills that we are expected to experience here in Columbus. That's all for now. Chris Dixon for the Catholic Media.